My name's Liz Taylor and I run the Silver Bird, a handmade artisan jewellery business from my workshop in South Cambridgeshire. My passion for contemporary jewellery grew during my product design degree. As a DT teacher of 17 years, I have taught hundreds of pupils how to design and make beautiful and novel products by exploring material properties and generating unique forms. My experience has proved invaluable as I've started my own jewellery business, and I now split my time between teaching, silversmithing and of course family life. Silver has the most amazing physical and chemical properties, which is why it's been used to make jewellery for many civilisations over the centuries. It's relatively soft, can be easily soldered and can be polished to a spectacular high lustrous shine. I collect every offcut of metal to melt down and recycle, including the dust from cutting and filing. Absolutely nothing is wasted. To me, silversmithing feels a bit like alchemy. I'm growing quite a collection of different chemicals such as various pastes and fluxes for soldering, acids for etching textures and patina for blackening a surface to highlight patterns. Ever since childhood, I have loved birds. They feature throughout my collection as silhouettes or as etchings. I also love designing jewellery around the natural beauty of gemstones such as moonstone, opal and labradorite. I love the diversity of appeal offered by natural gemstones, and I handpick each stone for its aesthetic qualities. I enjoy meeting and working with clients to produce pieces that will be personal celebrations, symbols of commitment or treasured heirlooms made purely for a couple or an individual. Worn close to the body, there's an intimacy to jewellery, and metaphorically, we hold certain items close to our hearts. Jewellery often holds meanings, memories and emotion. It is sometimes impossible to see a particular pair of earrings without thinking of a person who gave them or who once wore them. My love for commissions lies to really getting to know the customers and their ideas and preferences for a piece, and to produce an item that will be enjoyed for many years. All of my designs are fully customisable, handmade in fine or 95 sterling silver, using processes that explore its outstanding physical, chemical and aesthetic properties. I'd love you to take a look at my collection. Do get in contact if you have any questions.